Hello friends, my name is Nirali Balia. Today in this video I will show you how to install XAMPP server in your PC or laptop step by step. In this video I will cover 4 topics. First one, details of XAMPP server. Second one, how to download XAMPP server. Third one, how to install XAMPP server in your PC or laptop. And fourth one, details of XAMPP server control panel. At that time, I will explain you details of XAMPP server. XAMPP server stands for X for cross-platform, A for Apache Web Server, M for MySQL database, first P for PHP and second P for Perl. Why XAMPP server is cross-platform? Because of we can install on a different operating system. You can see same view of control panel in different operating system like Windows, Linux, Unix, macOS, etc. It is a simple, lightweight Apache distribution that makes it extremely easy for developers to create a local web server for testing purpose. Everything you need to set up a web server, like first server application is Apache, second database is MySQL, and third scripting language is PHP. These three things is included into a simple executable file. Then after I will explain you how to download XAMPP server. Here you can download XAMPP server from below link www.apachefriends.org. This is the official link of XAMPP server website. You can find this link below in video description. Then after just open this link in browser. And here to see the official website of XAMPP server. After that you can see different type of XAMPP server version for supporting different operating system. Like first XAMPP server for Windows with different PHP version like first PHP 5.6.32, second PHP 7.0.26, third PHP 7.1.12 and last PHP 7.2.0. Then after second XAMPP server for Linux with same PHP version like Windows, and last XAMPP server for macOS with different PHP version like this. Before to start downloading XAMPP server for Windows, to verify your operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit. First of all, to open My Computer Properties. And here to see system type is 64-bit operating system. I will download PHP version 7.2.0 XAMPP server for Windows. This setup file are compatible for 32-bit or 64-bit both the operating system. Click on this download button. This setup file can be included following things like first Apache 2.4.29, second PHP 7.2.0, third PHP MyAdmin 4.7.4 is MySQL database, and last XAMPP server control panel 3.2.2, etc. Then after I will explain you how to install XAMPP server in your PC or laptop step by step. You can find downloaded setup file in your downloads folder. Here to see downloaded setup file. First of all, double click to run this setup file. Here to just press yes. After that to see one error message. To ignore this error message and just press OK. Here to see XAMPP setup pop-up box, to click only next. Then after to verify all component is by default check or not and click on next. Here to set the XAMPP server path. By default XAMPP server is installed in a C drive and click on next. Then after one more to click next. Here setup is now ready to install XAMPP in your computer. Then just click on next. Waiting for installation process completion. After installation process completed, then just click on finish. Then after to start the XAMPP server and select US English as the default language, then click on save. If you should see the following screen, this means you will successfully install XAMPP on your PC. This is the view of XAMPP server control panel. Then after I will explain you details of XAMPP server control panel. In the XAMPP server control panel, to start Apache web server and MySQL database services, then to click on start under action for the Apache and MySQL module. Here to see all the configuration file for Apache web server and MySQL database. Here no need to find any configuration file in C drive to directly see all configuration file on XAMPP server control panel. If you are like my video, please share it and don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.